cannot see that guy either.
I wonder what it'd think about my vape.
Probably hypnotizing. I don't know, man. It's got a big head on it, whatever it is.